Hello guys, welcome back to part 4 of this System.io tutorial for beginners. Now, in the previous video, we have seen how to build a simple squeeze page using System.io. Now, if you haven't seen that, you can always check out the video on top of the screen. So now in this particular video, I'm going to share with you how to build a bridge page using System.io. But to build a bridge page using System.io, it is the same process as we used to build the squeeze page, and there is not much difference in it. But we need to understand the importance of a bridge page when we are running traffic to your offer or your product. And we should also know when to use the bridge page and when not to use this bridge page. Now, let us go to my screen and share with you the normal funnel step that is followed everywhere. But before that, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. If you see my screen over here, you can see the normal funnel step, the traffic. So the traffic can be anywhere from your social media or paid ads. So the paid ads can be your Google ads, your Bing ads, or YouTube ads, or TikTok ads. So whatever it might be. And social media can be your organic traffic. From the traffic, the visitors are directed to the squeeze page. Now, the squeeze page is the place where you collect the information of the traffic. So it's going to be like your email address, name of the visitor, or phone number or address. So it can be anything that you want to collect. So normally, the more simple it is better. So normally I request you to go for the name and the email address. And from the squeeze page, the traffic is directed to the offer. Now, the offer can be your own offer or it can be an affiliate offer. So if you see the enhanced funnel steps, so the traffic comes to the squeeze page, and after they opt in to the squeeze page, they are directed to the bridge page. And from the bridge page, they are directed to the offer. Now, this is an additional extra step that is included between the squeeze page and the offer. And you need to know when and why you need to use the bridge page. Let us see what are the advantages of a bridge page. So what are the advantages of a bridge page? Now, the first advantage is building your own brand. And second one is showing testimonials. And third one is increase quality engagements and click-through rate, which is CTR. And fourth is increasing your potential sales. Now, the main usage of a bridge page in between the offer and the squeeze page is not to sell the product features, but you have to deliver on what the product is capable of on the offer page, because the offer page is the one that is going to do the selling. So you have to pre-sell your offer, whether it might be your product or another service. So you have to always think about the outcomes or the results that the offer is going to deliver. So that will create a emotion around the person who is visiting this bridge page, and it will make them more pre-qualified on the bridge page so that they move on to the next step to visit the offer. Now, one major disadvantage of this bridge page is that there are 3 steps. If you see, there are 3 arrows over here, which means there are 3 steps before the traffic or the website visitor is going to see your offer. So, for example, if there are 1,000 visitors are coming from your any organic traffic or a paid ad traffic, now if you imagine a 50% conversion rate of your squeeze page, then you will have 500 people. Now from this 500 people, imagine you have a 50% conversion rate and you will have 250 people at the end of your bridge page. Only 250 people will be visiting your offer, and the conversion rate might be like 5%, 10% or 20% depending upon your offer. And it also depends upon how well you pre-sell your visitors on your bridge page. So every step in this funnel is going to bring you a conversion drop. So that is why we have to be very careful when to use the bridge page and when not to use the bridge page. Coming back to the advantages of a bridge page, build your brand. Now, what do you mean by a brand? So the brand is you yourself, because in this online crowded marketplace, you need to stand out. And if you don't show your face online in the bridge page, then it will be very difficult to build what is called as the KLT, know, like, and trust. So, which is very essential if you want to convert an online visitor into a sale. So to build a trust, you have to show your face. So that is where you have to build your brand. And online brand means so much in this online space right now. So next is show testimonials. So you can also show testimonials of other people who have benefited from this offer on your bridge page, or else you can show yourself. If you have tried out the offer and you have succeeded with it, then you can also put out a video of yourself. Now, how do you put out your video? Now you can always record your own video on Loom or OBS Studio, and also you can increase your quality engagements once you show your face, and that will really add, like trust, and it will increase the quality engagements, and it will eventually lead to a more conversion rate, which will lead to increase in sales. So now let us go straight to my screen and see how to build a bridge page. So this is the system.io dashboard, and if you have not got your free account of system.io, then you can always check the link in the description box below to get your free account. Once in the system.io dashboard, you can always go to your websites and sales funnels. So if you remember, we have created this YouTube tutorial for our squeeze page. So once you click on that, over here you can see the squeeze page which you have created. You can just click on this view funnel step, and over here you can see this squeeze page which we have created. So I have removed this thank you page by clicking on this three dots and clicking on the remove button. Now I'm just going to add the bridge page funnel step. So I'm just going to give it as a bridge page, and the type will be a thank you page. So opt-in, it is not an opt-in page, so we already created a squeeze page. And we are going to go to the sales. Under the sales, you have this thank you page, and I'm going to click in now. So thank you page, click on save. So you can see this bridge page funnel created over here, and under this you can see so many templates of thank you page. And normally the thank you page is used where once a visitor completes their purchase, then they are directly taken to this thank you page. But you can use this templates in order to introduce your own bridge page and customize them. So for example, I'm just going to use one of these thank you page templates and customize it to my bridge page. I think so. This is simple. Let us see the preview template once. And yeah, this is simple, and the font color are a little bit matching to our squeeze page. So let me use this. Click on select, and the name is bridge page. And again, I'm going to remove these numbers and just I'm going to put bridge hyphen page. So you can go and click on the edit page. So over here we are right there in the page workspace. Now we can remove this thing, this row. So I'm just going to select this entire row and click on delete. Yeah, we have removed it. And over here there is a text, you are in. Yeah, that's right, you are in. And thank you, I'm just going to put on thank you for providing the info. Thank you for providing the information. Watch this quick message to get started. Yeah, that looks good. And here, let me change this. Maybe I don't want this text headline over here. So I'm just going to click on this delete button. So I'm also going to just remove this, to remove the complexity, and just going to show them the button right there. So over here, if you see, this is the video, so we can always introduce our own video. So if you have video testimonial, then you can always click on this video template, and you can see over here video type. So it's a direct link or custom embed. If you have a YouTube video, you can do a custom embed, or you can upload a file. So if you have your own file recorded of yourself, then you can always upload it from your desktop. You can paste the URL over here, and autoplay is off, and it is visible both on desktop and mobile. So that looks good. And when you scroll down, I'm just going to first change the button width. So fill width, yeah, this looks better. And now I'm going to change the color. Yeah, background color, I'm just going to give it as blue, somewhere, yeah, somewhere dark. Yeah, I think this looks in conformity with this So that looks great. So here I'm just going to change the wordings over here. Yes, I want the VIP access. That looks a really good call to action. And let me remove this subtext over here, maybe. Yeah, this looks a really good bridge page. Now go and click on the save changes over here. Now coming back to the button. So since this is a bridge page, now the next step would be, do you want the user to be taken to your offer page? Then what you need to do is that action when button clicked. So what you click on this drop down button and choose open URL, and under this you can paste your affiliate URL, or if you're an online business owner and have your own product, you can paste your offer page URL. So if it was a squeeze page, it would have been a submit form, and whether you want to take them to the next step, which means that it is going to go to a bridge page, or else you don't want to take them to a bridge page, you want to take them directly to your offer, then you can click on this drop down and select to a custom URL, and under this you can paste your affiliate URL or your own product URL. Since this is a bridge page, I'm just going to change it as open URL, and here you can paste the affiliate URL. So that's how you design a bridge page, and you can always check for your mobile optimization. So click on the save changes. You can check out the mobile thing also. So here you can see this mobile version. So you are in, thank you for providing the information, and yeah, we need to scroll down a bit to check for the call to action. So it is not about the fold. So always try to make sure that the call to action is above the fold for the users, because most of the users don't scroll below it. So this also looks good, and you can always click on this exit button, and you can click on view funnel step and see the bridge page you have created. So this is in the desktop mode, and you can see it. You are in, thank you for providing the information, watch this quick message to get started. And here you can have your own video, and below here you can have your button, which is the call to action. So this is a simple bridge page. So now we have seen in this video how to create a simple bridge page using videos. Now in the next training tutorial video, we are going to cover more about email marketing using system.io. So stay tuned and please hit the subscribe button so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. So until then, bye.